Good morning, squad. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, to be honest with y'all, we doing it a little bit different, right? Now, normally y'all see me vlog style. Normally y'all see me just up ibbity, ready in the morning, you feel me? Talking about escaping the rat race. We currently are at work, but this ain't one of them type of videos. Now, you came here because you seen the title. Yet, I don't even know what I'm about to title it yet, but I just know it's about to be something fire. Essentially, the whole concept of this video is to just break down my mentality right now, to show y'all exactly what's going on in the live markets and just how I'm going to react and how I'm going to continue to pursue just being great. Without further ado, we're not going to talk too much. I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show y'all the market that I'm trading currently right now, exactly what's going on, and why I'm doing exactly what I'm doing right now. What exactly I just want to see. We're going to see if that happens. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. We are on Euro USD. If you can see it down there, look at the bottom. EU. We're on EU, and also as you can see, we're floating about like 4,000, 3,500. We were actually up about like 5,000 at one point in time, but the market is currently pulling back. This is the thing. I'm asking myself, and I'm pointing out to myself, why? Why am I up, this amount of RR? Why am I up this percentage within my account, and I'm not cutting profits? Well, it's very simple, and it's because I have patience. Not only do I have patience, but I trust myself, and I feel as if I repeat a lot of the same things in every single video. These are the key things, the key concepts that are allowing me to constantly see moves like this in the market, see profits like this on my screen. These are the things: patience, trust, all of those things mixed into actually being able to see the market and being able to see exactly what's going on. Focusing, patience, confidence, trust, all of that, everything that I always talk about, all of those compiled into one is what's generating me this every single week. So in this video, man, it's just me talking about exactly why I'm not closing out this trade. We currently have a lot more room to go. On the higher time frames, it's telling me a complete story as to which that the market wants to go down. The market's bearish, so in my mind, I'm just holding for the lows. Now, on lower time frames, I have no reason to get out. Now, this is something that I used to struggle with, and I know somebody that's watching this video struggles with at time. You're being up money, you're floating different numbers that you haven't necessarily seen too often. Like, you're not consistently getting those big trades all the time. And honestly, you just have to let those trades continue to do what they want to do. Don't put too much focus on them, because at the end of the day, anything can happen in these markets. That trade that you thought was just going to be a 1 to 4 could play out to be like a 1 to 12. Like, you never know. The markets, anything can happen. And that's ultimately why I'm just not allowing just the fear of missing out on certain profits and certain amounts control me. I'm just sitting back and I'm being patient. And like I said, man, this has guided me into getting profits every single week, currently floating this amount. And this amount is an amount that I'm completely, truthfully grateful for. I can't ask for anything more. I genuinely I thank God just to be able to even see this on my screen, like every single day. I'm thankful for it. And that's another reason why I'm not taking it for granted, because I know another opportunity is going to come. Like, I'm thankful for this opportunity. Trading is all the same. It's all the same. You face yourself every single day. You learn new stuff about yourself every single day. You just have to be honest with yourself, and you just have to check yourself. Constantly do self-evaluation. Constantly see exactly what's working for you and what's not. I noticed that whenever I'm more patient, I trust myself, I allow the markets to do exactly what they want to do already, and I just flow within the way the waves are going within price. 9 times out of 10, it always leads to more profits, better results, and just a whole better learning experience. I'm more like, my mind isn't taken away from the objective to learn. Like, I'm not just focused on money. I'm not just focused on, oh, this, and that. I'm focused on, how can I learn from this position? What exactly can I do, or what exactly can I apply that I learned from previous trades into this one? And previous trades, I learned that whenever I'm impatient, I just jump the gun and take profits out. A lot of the times, that trade ends up going for more. So right now, what am I doing? I'm applying that same logic, even though every single trade is unique. Even though every single trade is completely different from the last. I know that the way I trade, a lot of the times that happens just based off of history. So today, that's exactly what I'm doing. I have a total TP of about 6K. I'm currently floating right now, 3,800. Like I said, we was up like 5,000. We got a couple more pips to shoot for, and if we can get that, then that'll be a complete trade. Now, another thing is too, this is pre-New York session. So this trade was actually taken on sometime last week on Thursday or Friday. So I want to say it was Friday is when I took the trade, but right now it's currently Monday, early Monday morning. This is a trade that I did send it to my community on Friday. Matter of fact, what day did I send this in? Because that'll tell us the perfect time for exactly when I got in. So I sent this in on 10/2. I believe I entered in on 10/3. This was, 10/2. So I took the trade on 10/3. I think 10/3 was a Friday. Something like that along those lines. I don't know. Right now, like I said, bro, I just want to continuously show y'all this. Like, we're floating right now still. This is where my TP is at. So we're on EU. And yeah, this is where we at right now. My stop loss is to the lows. That's to the left. And yeah, the key thing in this video that I'm essentially just describing is don't focus on the dollar amount. The dollar amount means nothing. The dollar amount literally means nothing. So if we can take our minds outside of, the profits that we make, and we more so focus on the structure of the market, the setup itself, the quality, exactly where we're at within the price range, everything that ultimately leads to those profits, if we can focus on all of those and keep those on the forefront of our mind and completely exclude the profits, everything else becomes a lot more simple. All that fear of missing out, all that fear of just not being able to collect any profits, all of that shit goes out the window. I'm currently speaking right now from a point of complete zero pressure at all. I feel nothing inside of in my chest. I feel nothing at all. All those previous feelings, all those feelings of they're gone. Like, they're gone, bro. And that is exactly where true growth is starting to show. Those feelings, that attachment to the dollar, the attachment to what I'm currently seeing on my screen is completely out the way. Like I said, man, I'm blessed. I'm grateful. I've been doing it for a minute, so I should be getting this. I should be getting to this point. Right now, currently, all I focus on is structure. I focus on myself. I focus on my breathing. How am I breathing? I focus on how am I feeling? Am I antsy? How am I? How am I? I monitor my emotions. I repeat a lot of the same steps. I repeat a lot of the same shit. But everything that I repeat, everything that I say is what got me to this point. So I'm saying all that for a reason, because everything is literally the truth. I haven't lied to y'all not once. I don't lie. What do I gain from lying to y'all? This shit is real. I'm showing y'all it on my screen. We started off the video, we was probably like 3K. Not really much of a difference, but we're at 4K right now. If you could see it on the screen, focus up. Looking to be consistent every single day. Looking for the same things, the same results every single day. Growing 1%, pushing our minds to a different level, pushing ourselves, growing our will, growing everything to a different level every single day. There's no days off, man. So that's why we are constantly growing within the markets. But yeah, I appreciate all y'all for sitting around, sticking around, and tuning into this video. Hey, we got a lot more content coming on the way. Like I told y'all before, we're gonna start doing some more of these just sit down and talking videos. Not everything I gotta make into like a long video, but I know y'all fuck with the long videos, so I'm gonna continue to make those. I'm gonna continue to put more into it, continue to get more out of it for y'all, and just continue to grow as a whole. We a community, and I love each and every last one of y'all. I appreciate y'all so much for sticking around, tuning in, man. Like I said, y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I love y'all, man, for real. And I hope somebody gained some value from this video. I really hope just sitting back and just seeing how I'm handling just certain periods of time, and as to which, like, how I'm trading and what the results are, and just seeing how I'm not just getting too crazy over what I'm seeing on the screen, because I understand that this is trading and anything can happen. So controlling my emotions and just being better overall is just going to take us even further than not controlling them, essentially, like, to keep a long story short. So I know somebody gained some value from it. I hope somebody truthfully did. Yeah, enough of the yapping, man. We got some more videos to record because we got a lot more to put out to y'all. So, hey, continue to watch, continue to show love, continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. You already know what time it is, man. If you want to join the Discord community, down below, look in the description. That's where you're going to find all the like-minded individuals that you want to tap in with. So, hey, I'm going to be waiting for y'all on the other side. And, yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. I got to go clock in.